Welcome to our ACT Trainer training snippet today. My name is John Klubnik, and I'm just going to spend a couple of minutes today and introduce you to the concept that we call the ACT bucket list. And this is not something that is specific or built into ACT. It's not a feature you'll see on a drop-down, but what we have done is customize some of our fields so that they are colored in green. And you can do this, you can have us do this, but these are the fields that on every phone call when we speak to a potential client, we want to be able to fill those out. These are including things like the name, the company name, the email address, how did we hear about you, or how did they hear about us, and the status. And in this case, we've got a contact named Lance Parker. He's an existing customer, as you can see by the ID status. And we're going to not only make him a customer, we want to say that he is a gold level customer, or our highest level. So we're going to customize or select ID status, go down and select gold, which we've added a little earlier. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at how do I find all my gold customers. Now I could do this by right-clicking on ID status, choose look up ID status, and type in gold, and you'll see I have 2 of them. Another way is to use the dynamic group. So if we go to the group menu, you see I have created a group called gold. That's done by going to the group menu and choosing new group. I gave it the word gold as the name, and when I went to ID status, when I went to add room contacts, I have set a dynamic group membership such that the field called ID status contains, as the operator, the value of gold. And you'll see that now there's 3 of these here. So now if anything changes, if Lance no longer is a gold level customer, all I've got to do is deselect his name off the list, back onto my groups window here, my groups view. I now have 2 instead of 3. If I go back and put Lance back as gold, he shows up back in that group. This is quick data mining, possible to do without having to run a report, and it's something that we encourage folks to do all the time. This is John Klubnik, today's ACT Trainer training snippet on buckets and groups.